Today's video is sponsored by the hypocrites. Open the Fusion page, add a background node, and choose your color. Add a multi-merge node after. Bring another background node and choose a different color. Add an ellipse mask on it, and adjust the size to your liking. After the background, add a transform node, and connect it to the multi-merge. Right-click to the center value, and select to modify it with shake. Go to the Modifiers tab, and bring down the smoothness slider. Duplicate these nodes, and bring them over. Select this second background node, and change the color. Connect it to the multi-merge, select the transform node, go to the Modifiers tab, and hit the Reseed button a couple of times. Bring a dent node after the merge. Change the type to Sine, and increase the size and strength sliders. Add a Displace node after, bring a fast noise in empty space, and connect it to the green point of the Displace. With the Displace node selected, increase the refraction strength slider. Go to the fast noise node, and adjust the sliders to your liking. Add a zoom blur node after, and then add a merge node. Bring a paper texture image into your flow, and connect it to the merge node. Adjust the size of it, and change the apply mode to screen. Add a stop motion node after the merge, and your background is ready. If you want to make it more complicated, you can add a duplicate node after the transform node of your ellipse, and play around with the duplicate settings. If you like this clip, subscribe to this channel. If you didn't, you get what you deserve.